Hastings is our town, you know it well. From the welcome sign to the high school bell. You say you know it well, that's not quite true. 'Cause with Take a Hike, Mike, I'll prove it to you. There's lesser known businesses and some you've heard of more. But it doesn't bother me 'cause I just love to explore. Interviewing owners and lending a hand. I love to assist for as long as they can stand. Where will I go next? I really can't say. Here's a little warning 'cause it might be your way. No matter where I go, one thing is true. With Take a Hike, Mike, it's entertainment for you.
It's time to assemble a brand new episode of Take a Hike, Mike. I'm Mike Bramer, and today I'm at Rother Machines. First, I'll be constructing an interview with owner Tim Mercer to learn the ways of machines. Tim has me spray painting, welding, and making a scene as I operate machines. This episode is no fabrication, or is it? Let's hike inside and get started. Come on. Well, good morning, Tim Mercer.
Hi.
How we doing, sir?
Terrific. How are you?
Doing wonderful. So we're here at Rother Machine, and not to meddle in your business too much, but how did Rother Machine get its start, Tim?
Dennis and Jerry Rother started it back in 1971.
Okay.
It's a general machine shop, and kind of evolved over the course of many years, 40 plus years, to our current state where we do machining, wire EDM, some CNC equipment to machine as well, full welding capabilities along with automation. So we actually make a lot of specific machines for other manufacturing companies.
So you guys like make machines?
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
Any type of machine? Like, can you create like a claw machine with prizes in it for me?
Potentially, yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, so I always carry bindle sticks. Could you make a bindle stick making machine?
Absolutely.
Oh, wow. This guy is really, really good. Okay, so what's the most common type of service that you guys do here at Rother Machine?
70% of the business is specialty equipment. So a customer such as 3M, Anderson Windows, Honeywell, they all come to us and they say, we need a machine that does this. And then we start the process of designing that machine and fabricating and then putting it all together and making it run for them.
Okay. So you guys do everything?
Yes.
From like beginning to end?
Yes.
And you're gonna trust me to do some of this today, Tim?
A little bit.
A little bit. Okay, I have to win his trust. All right, well, what do you say we begin the tour, huh?
Sure.
All right, let's check out this place. Is there any way we can get Take a Hike Mike playing on this television set right here, Tim?
No.
You guys are really good at creating things. Can you like modify
This is like kind of old school in all honesty, so this is a lot harder to modify than maybe something newer.
Okay, we'll table that request for now.
So we have this is a CNC lathe.
Whoa.
This is a little bit higher, a little bit different than what you were just looking at, because this does have the brain power to actually do movements not only quicker but more accurately. And Andy here has a part that
you need my help with.
Yes.
Yep.
Andy, nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Cool. So Andy, what are we gonna do here, sir?
We're gonna make a part for Intech Plastics.
Okay.
I already got my program made.
Oh, wow.
Here's the print. I get all the numbers from the print and plug them into the control here, and hopefully it comes out like that.
Wow. Okay, so this is impressive here. Like, can I type a word here, or like, is this like a video game? I see some arrow keys and.
Yeah, it's kind of like a video game.
Okay, what do you want me to push?
Well, here, let's get it ready to run.
Okay.
We're gonna want to keep this shut because there's gonna be hot chips flying.
Whoa. Okay. See, I like salsa and chips, and the salsa can be pretty hot. Is this similar, or is this a different situation, Andy?
Yeah, they don't feel as good.
Okay, they don't feel as good. Okay, so again, we're with the screen here.
So right now we got all the code in there. You hit that go button.
Okay.
This is gonna take off and start cutting.
Okay, are we ready to do it?
Fire it up.
Here we go. Wow. It's spinning.
Yep.
Okay, so this is slowly moving in now, right?
Yeah, it's just right now it's just kind of taking not even a cut.
Yep.
It's kind of a safety cut.
Yeah.
Next time it's gonna come back, take another cut.
So I should probably stand back, right? Oh, there's the hot chip.
Yep.
Nice. Look at those fly. I just got hit on the arm by one. It hit me in the whole arm. Oh, it got me again. Wow. I'm gonna hide behind you, Andy. I'm gonna hide behind this grown man. Okay.
I usually keep coolant on there, but
Okay.
just so you can see what's going on a little better.
That's a cool idea.
So it should come out looking
Like this kind of
something
here?
like that,
Okay,
yeah.
that'll be kind of like the finished product?
Yep.
Awesome. This is so manly. More power. Tim Allen. Home improvement, right?
Yep. So I'll take a little air and blow these chips out of here.
Whoa, can I try that? Sweet, okay. Na 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 na. Whoa. It's blowing chips everywhere. Look at this.
Yeah, that's probably good.
Okay, that's good, that's good. This is fun.
So now this operation, we're going to actually want to use coolant.
Okay, so the coolant's gonna come through here,
Come through the
Andy,
hose
and spray out a
out here
little
and
bit.
hopefully stay on the tool. Now you can go ahead and hit the green button.
Start button, here we go.
Yep.
Oh wow, okay, so this is spraying out now.
Just
Whoa.
Just that so it's on the tip of the tool. Now
Wow.
you can go ahead and hit that 100% right there.
100% rapid?
Yep. Now see how it moved a little faster?
Yep. Good thing I came to help you, right?
Yeah.
Making your job a little bit easier today? Saving your
I
fingers.
can just
I'm
go
pushing
home for
these.
today, huh?
Yeah, is that okay with the boss? Can he go home and I take over? He's like, no response. All right, so it's done now.
Pretty much. Now I would actually take it out, bring it to the saw this off.
Okay.
Then you could face the other side off, put a hole in it. Done.
Cool, cool. So is that all the help you need from me for right now?
I think, yep.
Cool, cool.
Yep.
He's like, let's get rid of this guy somehow. Cool, Andy, thank you so much.
No
sir.
problem.
All right, I'll join back up with Tim.
All right, sounds good.
All right, Tim, so we got another cool machine here. What can you tell me about this bad boy?
This is another CNC machine, and what this one does is it's a CNC mill. So
Okay.
basically, what you just saw with the lathe, this does in a mill. Really accurately, quickly. It has a lot of cool features like multiple tool changes and stuff, where it'll automatically cycle through tools and do a whole bunch of things.
So you're saying this isn't your run-of-the-mill machine?
Correct.
Correct. Cool. And there's another cool TV here too, with a cool keyboard. Now,
Yeah.
can I instant message my friends with this, Tim? Is that a possibility?
Not quite, no.
Okay, this can't connect to Facebook,
Not yet.
Twitter,
I don't believe so.
Instagram. No. Okay, we'll have to work
We're
on
not.
that.
Yeah, we're not that.
Maybe next time.
We're not that savvy yet. Like this is an example of parts that we would make.
Oh, okay.
You know, these are aluminum.
Wow, this is sturdy.
These are actually nests for a window manufacturer that would hold parts in a machine.
Do you want me to check your work?
Sure.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. A+ from Take a Hike Mike. Wonderful. Does this thing check my blood pressure here? Does my arm go into this?
No, you definitely don't want to put your arm
Okay,
in
all
there.
right. Moving on.
In this room, we do a lot of welding, grinding,
Oh, cool.
cutting of different metals. We
Excellent.
work a lot with steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. And actually, Chris is a welder here.
Hey Chris, how we doing?
That he was going to show you and give you a little demo on welding.
really?
And if you want to try welding some aluminum,
Yeah,
you could
yeah, that'd be
potentially
great.
try that.
Cool. All right, viewers, I am now here with Chris Sellner, the welding master. How we doing, sir?
I'm doing good.
Good, good. So you're going to show me how to weld, and you might let me try as well.
Sure.
Excellent. So there's a sweet shield here.
Yep,
Should I
that's-
wear this
you
shield?
bet, you
okay,
bet. Yep,
excellent.
yep.
So I'll put this on my head. Whoa, I feel like a robot. I feel like RoboCop right now.
Something like that.
Okay, cool. Wow, that was awesome. Okay, so what do we do? Go ahead and explain how this works.
Well,
here.
this is TIG welding here, so it's a little different than wire feed or stick
Yeah.
welding. I just started tacking this in. We're just welding a brace.
Okay, so you're
We're
attaching.
modifying. Yeah, we're modifying this part here. This was, and then we're building 4 new ones.
Okay.
I started sub-assembling some of it,
Yep.
so this would be like this part here.
Okay. So you're currently attaching this triangular piece.
Yep, this is just a
welding
little
that, 'cause
gusset
That's
in
wiggly
there.
right now. Okay.
Yep, just
Okay.
a little gusset there. So.
Cool. Now are sparks gonna fly at my
Nope,
body?
Nope,
Okay.
just raise.
Okay, just graze my body. Okay,
Yep,
and it won't
just,
hurt.
Just like the sun.
Okay, okay, just like the sun. That
Yep.
sounds very safe. All right, so we're putting our shields down here.
And we're
All
ready
right,
to go.
let's do
here.
it. Whoa! That is so cool, Chris. It's so bright. This is the most manly episode I've done yet on Take a Hike Mike. I feel my chest hair growing. How hot is that?
Well, aluminum melts at like 1200, so you know probably more.
I'm
than
seeing
that.
like stars. Am I supposed to see like sunspots?
Probably a little bit.
Okay. I can't see anything.
So yeah, you noticed out, you know, when we were welding there, it took a little while for that heat to, and then once that heat comes up, then then that puddle, you know,
cool.
it drags that puddle out. So
Wow.
so that's kind of how we do it.
Cool. Can I try?
Here. Give it a whirl.
Sweet. Do you want me to just go over your work?
Yeah, I
and-
would probably just go over what I.
Or you want me to do a whole
started.
another one by myself?
No.
I say you can go on break if you want. I could just take over for a while. He's
There
like,
you
I'm
go.
not so sure about that one. Take a hike, Mike. Got the official gloves, the official weld gun here. I'll be back. Whoa! We got a
Okay,
live
get her
one.
down in there.
Right down in there. Whoa! I'm doing it. I'm doing it, Chris.
There you go.
How's this looking?
Looks good.
Woo! Take a hike, Mike. It's welding. Just checking your work a little bit here, making sure it's up to the standards of Rother Machine.
Yeah. Now you can just let off on the pedal when you're done. There you go. Just like that.
We did it.
Nice.
Chris,
Good job.
that was awesome. Wow, and not really seeing those spots.
Not bad, huh?
Cool. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
This is fantastic. How did I do?
Good.
Would you say weld done?
Yes.
Yeah, well done, and the weld is done. Whoa. Awesome. Name these famous robots.
Okay. R2D2.
Very good. 1 point.
I can't. Wall-E.
That is correct, Wall-E. So you work with robots, so this is all very easy for you. How about this one here?
Oh, from the Jetsons.
Yep.
I can't remember her name though.
It starts with the letter R.
Roxanne? Rosie?
Oh, Rosie,
Rosie.
he's got it. Okay, he's 3 for 3, and there's one more, and this one is very difficult now. How about this one here?
Is that you as a child?
Yes, but what am I dressed as?
Robot.
Robo Mike, he got it. That is 4 for 4. Are you impressed by the design on my custom-made
That's very
robot
good.
costume? I made
Very
this when I
good.
was 7 years old.
You know, I hardly recognize you.
If I was to apply for a job here, this would go on my resume. I'd just show you the picture. You'd say, we'll take him. He's hired. Cool. Nice job. 4 for 4. Robot master here. So now, viewers, it might look a little bit different. I'm here in an office in a area with my friend, Leroy Lucking. Leroy, how we doing?
Good.
Good, good. So we got computers around here, and this is how the products start, right? You create it on a computer.
Yeah, you model it on CAD.
Okay, okay. And you're gonna give us a little demonstration. I might be able to help out a little bit.
Okay. All right.
He's like, we'll see about that, son. Okay. Cool. So what do we got going?
So this is a piece of equipment that we're building right now that actually puts the holes in this part.
Oh, okay. So you're probably really good at like geometry and math and
Yeah,
stuff like
I
that.
guess, yeah.
See, I'm not good at that at all. So whatever can rub off on me in the next 5 minutes would be appreciated.
All right. So the guy come in here. We sit down in the other room.
Yep.
And they tell us what they want to do.
Yep.
And then we hash it out a little bit. And then I sit down here and basically try to make it all work like it's supposed to work.
Do you have computer games on here too?
No, I don't have it.
Okay, well this is still cool. This is still cool.
So basically, I start with the frame.
Mm-hmm.
When we're all done, I know whether something's going to hit something, whether it all goes together, where the holes all line up. Before I make any drawings out of anything, we actually have built it on the computer.
Who taught you how to do this? YouTube?
I took a week and a half class.
A week and a half, and
Yeah.
you learned how to do this.
I
ladies
took a
and
week and a
gentlemen.
half class, and the
guy's
rest of
good.
it we pretty much figured out ourselves here.
I'm not worthy. I'm not worthy. So what do we have here, Leroy?
This is a large table that takes a 12-foot long window and flips it over half a turn. They get so big they can't handle them anymore. So what this table does is it goes all the way down to the ground and then flips it over to this side and lays it back down the other way so they can finish the other side of the window. And then it flips it up to all the way down to the ground so they can take it off and roll it off onto a
So it's for businesses that create windows,
yeah,
so they can easily work with them, rotating them
for
around.
Anderson windows.
Anderson windows. And you came up with this idea from scratch?
Yes.
That's incredible. How do you know how to do this?
Just, I don't know.
He's the king. Like I said, this man is literally the king. Leroy, thank you so much for showing me around.
You're welcome.
Awesome stuff, very interesting. This guy's got a lot of work to do, so let's continue our journey. Wow, so this is a loud machine here. And this is a big machine.
Yes. So this machine weighs about 25,000 pounds.
25,000 pounds.
It was the only machine that we didn't move ourselves when we moved to this facility, actually.
Okay.
This machine actually has about 8 feet in X travel, about 12 feet in Y travel, and 6 feet in Z travel. So what that means is you can put a really, really big part on here and machine it out.
So this is like basically your Megazord.
Pretty much.
This is your biggest machine slash, it's not a robot, but it's your biggest machine. It's your Megazord.
Pretty much.
This is the Megazord. That is awesome, Tim. I see that forklift. You want me to drive that or what?
I don't know.
He's thinking about it. He's like, it'd be so cool, but I might lose my job. Can I at least sit in it real quick?
Sure.
All right, cool. I'm just gonna sit in it. Whoa. Can I just turn it on?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna turn it on.
So
Cool.
it's electric. So like
It's electric. Boogie, 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 boogie.
this would raise something up,
Oh, okay.
lower it down.
So maybe with my supervision, I could try raising that and lowering it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so can you see this handle here? All right. Wow. Third floor, menswear. This is taller than a human man right now. Wow, now we're playing with power. All right, let's bring her back down here. It's silent, yet it could be deadly if somebody was under there, you know? Where's the horn on this?
Just like a car.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's cute. It's like Herbie. Have you seen the Love Bug?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think you'd maybe hire me as an employee around here?
If you pass our background check, there's
don't need
always
to do
that
that.
potential.
We don't need to do that. All right, Tim. At Rother Machine, you construct tailor-made jigs. But can you dance the jig?
No, I'm not a good dancer.
Now, I'm not a good dancer either, and I'm willing to do this with you. If you dance the jig for 5 seconds, I'll give you 5 points. Are you up to the task, or are you gonna forfeit the 5 points?
What do I get with 5 points?
You get to redeem those points for various prizes.
Oh. I don't know if I can do full 5 seconds.
Okay, how much can you give me?
We'll see.
I'll do it with you. Are you
Okay,
ready?
you
All right, here
bet.
we go. Ready, set, jig. We're going for the full 5 seconds. Woo-hoo! Yeehaw! Nice.
All
This
right.
guy is good. He got 6 points there. His employees find it very comical. They're like, we just saw Tim do that. This guy got 6 points. He knows the jig. All right, viewers, it's very exciting on Take a Hike, Mike, because we're going to do some painting. And with me here again is my friend Chris Sellner. Chris, I'm
Hi.
back for more.
Yep.
You had so much fun before. You had to be back on the
Yep.
show. So what are you holding in your hand?
Well, this is a paint respirator. So
A paint respirator. Okay. You want me to put this on my face? Is that what you're
Yep,
saying?
you
okay.
got it.
All right, if you say so. So this go over my head.
Yep, just like that.
This is supposed to help me breathe. Supposed to help me breathe. All right, here we're going inside the Starship Enterprise. Whoa! Happening.
You got it.
Yeah, it smells good. I actually like the smell.
That's good.
Well, thank you so much for showing me this bad boy.
You
Awesome.
bet.
We're gonna play with this a bit more.
So this is the assembly room. This is where we take all the components that we've made, machined, welded, painted, and they all get put together in this room.
Awesome.
So we actually have 4 different projects going on at this point in time. This machine, we're still building it right now. So what it's going to do is it actually has a robotic arm that's going to pull a brass valve out.
So this is like that robot you were talking about.
Yep,
so this
yep,
is
exactly.
robotics here, viewers.
So it pulls out the valve.
Yep.
It places it in a vise, and then there's actually going to be a series of holes that gets drilled in it. So there's 3 cross holes that get drilled at a certain angle, and then another hole through the side, through the body of it, and then that gets tapped. And then once that's complete, The robot will actually drop it in the chute,
What?
and the part actually comes down out of the bucket.
Wow. So it's like my old Hot Wheels thing, or like an old Marble Works thing, where it goes through these different things and it uses gravity and ends up in there in the end.
Sure, sure.
That is awesome.
We're still building it, so it's not completely done yet, but
Yep.
actually Tony is working with us. He's the
Okay.
one that's programming it right now.
Hey Tony, how we doing? That is what I call a perfect part for Rother Machine. All right, so Tim, does Rother Machine have a website viewers should check out?
We do. It's www.rothermachine.com.
Okay.
Talks a little bit about all the different things that we do, and there's some examples of some of the equipment that we've built over the years.
Excellent. And Tim, I got a gift for you in Rother Machine. Rother Machine was featured on Hastings Community TV's Take a Hike Mike, signed Mike Bramer. You're welcome to display that wherever you would like, sir.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Cool. Thanks for everything.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Working on machines. I am a robot working on machines. Rother Machine.
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, hello, boss. I am a robot. Increased productivity at Rother Machines.
I know it's you, Mike.
What? Mike is gone. I am a robot, sir.
Take a hike, Mike.
Oh, take a hike, Mike. Whoa. Thank you for opportunity.
Good luck.
Goodbye.
Where will I go next? I really can't say. Here's a little warning, cause it might be your way. No matter where I go, one thing is true. With Take a Hike, Mike, it's entertainment for you.
Do you think this kind of looks like a flute, Leroy?
It's actually a part for a car wash.
Okay. In that case, working at the car wash.